What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me again on another edition of late Da Vinci Code. It's been a while. I don't know what's going on with this camera. This is a new phone, but the camera play doesn't seem to be in agreement too much. We're just gonna go ahead and progress and see how things work out. So, in this challenge, I've already completed it. But in this challenge, I was to find out how to make use of the hover pseudo element. Okay, what the hover pseudo element is, guys, if you ever been on a website and you place the mouse pointer over a button or an image, and as you place the pointer, the mouse pointer on that specific whatever element, a photo, whatever it is, on whatever website you're on, the website, the element, the photo, etc., it changes. When you place your mouse pointer on it, it enlarges to place emphasis, or when you place your mouse pointer on a word, more information pops up on its own by just placing your mouse pointer on it. When that happens, you have the hover pseudo element at play, at work. So this challenge kind of gave me an alternate way of using it. And that's what web design is about. There's a lot of back doors to getting things done, So yeah, let me see. So let's see if I can make this clearer. Okay. I can use CSS keyframes to change the color of a button in its hover state. I can use CSS keyframes to change the color of a button in its hover state. Or in other words, when the mouse pointer is over it. I'll show you an example right now. So, as I said, guys, this challenge I've completed already. So, if you look over here, now mind you, all that code right there creates that right there, that little blue button. Again, guys, I apologize. Okay, it's a little bit clearer. Good. So all that code right there, wow, all that typing results in that right there, that button. So the hover pseudo element, as we discussed, the hover pseudo element. So if you guys pay attention, it's very subtle. Look at that button, titled button with the button word on it. Look what happens. You see that little flash of color? Check it out. If you guys saw, it was real subtle. It was a little hint of flash of color. Right there, boom. All this code right here, guys. So this right here, this block of code right here, that right there is our button rule. Anytime the button element gets used, those rules apply. Now, this is the button element with the hover element involved. And let's check it out, guys. Animation name property right here. That's the animation name property. And it's set to background color. And then we have the animation duration right below it, if you look at it. Animation duration property. 500 milliseconds, which equates to half a second. So that's how subtle that shift of color takes place. Takes place over the course of half a second, programmed in our style block. Look, see if you see it, guys. Bam. It's real subtle. That was a cool lesson. I utilized the keyframes. The keyframes. I'm using keyframes now. That's a new thing. That's something else I've been introduced to. So guys, that concludes tonight's edition of Le Da Vinci Code. Thanks for joining me again. React to the content, guys. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you don't like it. Like it, so forth and so on. See you next time.